Would you believe that faceless kids' videos on YouTube are making millions of dollars every single year? Some channels are raking in millions of views daily without even showing their face. Look at this. This channel alone is making close to $2 million per year. And here's another one, pulling in over $500,000. Now, you might be wondering, can you do this too? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these types of videos using AI without any animation skills and without showing your face. And if you think this sounds too good to be true, check this out. This Faceless YouTube channel gained over 450,000 subscribers in just a few days by uploading only 30 videos. The craziest part? Every single video was created entirely using AI. Let me show you one video.
Once there was a girl named Lily, whose best friend Sarah moved one town away and therefore switched schools. Lily kept reaching out to Sarah, but Sarah's replies became less frequent. For her birthday, Lily was...
The best part? You can create these types of videos in just a few minutes without any professional skills. So, let's get started. Before I show you the tutorial video, let me first show you the final result that you'll learn to create in this video.
A sleepy little squirrel wakes up in a treehouse. It stretches, yawns, and spots a nut stuck in a tree hole. It struggles but can't pull it out. A tiny bird sees the squirrel struggling. It chirps and pecks at the nut, helping it fall. The squirrel claps happily. Down below, a kid rides a bicycle but drops their backpack. The squirrel rushes down, grabs it, and returns it to the kid. The kid smiles and waves.
To create a similar video, first, we need to select a story. To do that, we can get help from ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, create a 30-second kid-friendly animated story script for YouTube Shorts TikTok. The story should have fast-paced scenes, engaging visuals, and a strong life lesson. Keep it simple, fun, and optimized for vertical format. No dialogue, just a clear sequence of actions and emotions. Make sure to add this part if you don't want separate dialogue for each character. Otherwise, it will generate dialogues for each one. Now, let's click here. And ChatGPT will start generating the story script. So, as you can see, ChatGPT has generated a well-structured script for a 30-second video with separate narrations for each scene, which is amazing. Now, we just need to copy the story from here. Next, we need to generate visuals and voiceovers for the story. You can do this in two ways. The first way is to create everything manually. You have to use Leonardo AI or Midjourney for image generation, Minimax or Kling AI for animation, 11 Labs for voiceover generation, and then edit and combine everything in an editing software. However, this method is complicated and expensive because all these tools are premium. You'll need to buy multiple subscriptions across different platforms, and it also requires a lot of skill to generate perfect visuals with accurate prompts and edit each scene properly, making it challenging for beginners. So, in this video, I'm going to use an all-in-one AI tool called AIvideo.com. They have combined 9 of the top AI models into a single platform that can generate entire videos from just a simple prompt. To access this tool, click the link in the description, and you will land on this page. Quickly sign in with your Google account. Once you sign in, you will come over to this page. Here, you will find all your previous projects. If you're new to this tool, you won't see anything like these. You will only find these two options. Generate complete video from script or topic. Explore from scratch in the editor. I don't want to create from scratch because it takes time. Instead, I want to use their templates to make things easier. So let's click here. Then, you will see this page where you'll find different templates for different types of videos, such as 3D, ancient bios, blocky, comics, cinematic, and more. These templates are very useful, especially this explainer template. I've generated some amazing videos with it. For the kids' story video, I am going to select 3D, then click on Next. After that, you will come to this page. If you don't have a script, you don't need to write anything in these boxes. Just select anything from here, and this AI tool will generate an engaging script for you. Since we already generated a story with ChatGPT, I will keep it as custom. In this box, I'm going to write the story title from ChatGPT. You can leave it blank or just write Kids Story Video. Then, I'm going to copy the entire story script from ChatGPT and paste it into this box. If you want to use a reference video, you can upload it here, but I won't upload anything right now. Next, we need to select the video duration. I am going to set it to 30 seconds. This is just an approximate duration. The final result might be a little longer or shorter. Now, we need to select what we want to use as visuals in our video. We can choose AI videos, AI images, and more. I want only AI videos, but if you want to add AI images as well, you can select this option to save some credits. You can also select stock videos if you're creating a documentary or news video. For now, I will only use AI videos. Next, we need to select the type of video style we want to create. We can choose Pixar style, cartoon style, or 3D style. I am going to select 3D for this video. Here, you can write your character reference, but I will skip this part. Now we need to select video orientation. You can choose portrait or landscape. Since we are creating a short video, I will select portrait. If you don't want captions in your video, you can turn off this option. But I want captions, so I will turn this feature on. Now we have to select a voice actor. By default, it's a female voice, but you can choose a male voice if you want. For kids' videos, a female voice is usually the best option.
Never mistake motion for action.
It's a very good voice. If you prefer a male voice, you can choose one from here.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in it.
I will keep the default voice. You can experiment with all the settings to get the best results, but I have only shown you the most important ones. Now let's finally click Generate. It will take 3 to 6 minutes to process. To save your time, I have already generated 3 videos with the same script, but in different styles. Let's play them.
A sleepy little squirrel wakes up in a treehouse. It stretches, yawns, and spots a nut stuck in a tree hole. It struggles, but can't pull it out. A tiny bird sees the squirrel struggling.
You might notice some unwanted footage or low-quality visuals in your video, but don't worry, I will show you how to change unwanted footage using the editing feature. Let me open this video in their editor.
A sleepy little squirrel wakes up in a treehouse. It stretches, yawns, and spots a nut stuck in a tree hole. It struggles but can't pull it out. A tiny bird sees the squirrel struggling.
So, there is an unwanted image in the scene. We can easily replace it. Now just check the video.
The squirrel claps happily. Down below, a kid rides a bicycle but drops.
Wow, this is a very good scene. All the videos you are seeing are generated by AI. Let me open the third video. I hope this one will be even better.
A sleepy little squirrel wakes up in a treehouse. It stretches, yawns, and spots a nut stuck in a tree hole. It struggles but can't pull it out. A tiny bird sees the squirrel struggling. It chirps and pecks at the nut, helping it fall.
Wow, this is a very good animation.
At the nut, helping it fall. The squirrel claps happily. Down below, a kid rides a bicycle but...
Can you hear this sound effect? I didn't edit any part of the video. It was automatically added by the AI. It understands the video and adds the right sound effects, which is very impressive.
Down below, a kid rides a bicycle but drops their backpack. The squirrel rushes down, grabs it, and returns it to the kid.
Here's another very good scene.
The kid's squirrel rushes down, grabs it, and returns it to the kid.
Now let me show you a fact video that this AI created for me using AI images.
Did you know about the fascinating concept of time dilation? It's not just science fiction. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time actually slows down for objects moving at high speeds or in strong gravitational fields. This means that astronauts on the International Space Station age slightly slower than we do on Earth. Imagine returning from a space journey to find everyone you know has aged more than you.
It looks great, and I will post it on my new channel after making a few changes to some unwanted scenes. Now let me show you how we can edit these videos inside this platform. Let's say I want to edit this video, so I will open it in the editor. Let's see what we can improve in this video.
One night, Alex found something strange. A door that wasn't there before. It didn't lead outside. It led somewhere magical, a land of floating islands, talking trees, and castles in the sky. But the door was closing fast. Was it a dream? Or a secret waiting to be discovered again? Some doors only open for those who dare to step through. A dream?
As you can see, this isn't a good video. We should replace it with a better one. I haven't changed any part of the video yet. So, to replace an image or video, you need to go to the Visuals section. Then click on the video you want to change. When you click, the prompt for the video will appear in this box. You can edit the prompt and click here to regenerate the video. If you click here, you will see different text-to-video models like Kling AI, Luma, Minimax. These are the best text-to-video models available right now. You can generate the video using any of these models inside this tool. Let's try this one. If I click here, it will start generating the video. It will take some time, so I will fast forward this part. Now, as you can see, our video is ready. Let's play it. Wow, it looks very good. Not super realistic, but perfect for a kid's animation video. Now, we can simply drag and drop the new video into the timeline, then delete the old one. Let's play the final version.
But the door was closing fast. Was it a dream? Or a secret waiting to be discovered again? Some doors only open.
Now, you know how to change any visuals in your video. You can also easily change the voiceover in the voice section. Basically, you can edit everything inside this tool. I have edited our first project with this tool. Here is the final result.
A sleepy little squirrel wakes up in a treehouse. It stretches, yawns, and spots a nut stuck in a tree hole. It struggles but can't pull it out. A tiny bird sees the squirrel struggling. It chirps and pecks at the nut, helping it fall. The squirrel claps happily. Down below, a kid rides a bicycle but drops their backpack. The squirrel rushes down, grabs it, and returns it to the kid. The kid smiles and waves.
Use my promo code RAHATK to get 20% off for a whole year, or just click the referral link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by commenting below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.